Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your speaker JBL Grip. And basically we have two options how to check it. The first one, we can use the application. You need to open JBL Portable app. Of course, your speaker should be connected with the application, and then the app open for you speaker menu. If you are in the main menu, just tap at your speaker at the device list. Then scroll down and go to product information at the bottom. And right here we have serial number, so this one is your first option, how to check it. The second one is to find this information at your speaker. And you can find them at the bottom. So let me zoom it for you. So right here we have SN, what means serial number, and this one is the same number as what we have in the application. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!